Hello, welcome back to Review Valley. Today I'm going to review the most amazing mobile in the mobile market with a low budget like is in India currency they are going to sell it for 18,000 and we'll get a 1500 discount with the ICICI Bank credit card. The mobile which are coming for a like a $250 for this mobile is cost around $250 in US currency which comes with a 108 triple camera. It has a 108 megapixels. And coming to the worry of this mobile, like it's come with a 108 megapixel camera system like Qualcomm 732G processor, 120Hz display, 6000 microamps battery, and stylish smart design. Moto G60 is the ultra high definition photo. This for this phone is especially for camera purpose. At backside we have a three cameras like a 108 megapixel high-end camera which comes with a unique design and styling. And this is we have going now we're going diving into more advanced features of this mobile. But most that brings you the best new features. First with the Moto G60, you get the snap picture stun with a class leading 100 megapixel ultra high res camera. Go further with a 6000 microamps battery that can got 54 hours on single charge passenger. Impressive performance from Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor and 6 GB of RAM. Is a Georgia 6.8-inch display with a lightning fast 120Hz refresh rate. And coming to a glass leading backside, we have a glass leading 108 megapixel camera with a ultra high res camera system at your fingerprint and 100 megapixel sensor improve low sensitivity 9 times by combining 9 pixel into 1 ultra pixel of 2.1 ultra pixel for unmatched high res photos. In previously we used to have 1.4 ultra megapixel for most of the camera. First time this camera was coming with a 2.1 ultra megapixel to get high quality pictures. These are some of the pictures show are snapshot by this camera like with a 108 megapixel camera. You can view the quality of these pictures and a massive 108 sensor capture most true life photos even with 2 in 18 megapixel ultra wide macro vision camera. And coming to the here is the depth sensor, how it look like depth sensor, and 32 megapixel self camera in a low light mode, LED flash and quad pixel technology for 4x better light sensitivity. Overall camera performance in this price is very better for mobile. For if you are a camera mobile, this is the best mobile. If you are a moderate gamer, this is the best for moderate gaming. This is some of the pictures on shot in a Moto G60. These are the nicest pictures. Micro camera.